Hey guys, if you want to get rid of your melasma really fast, watch this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Deborah, and I'm doing this 1 month skin test video featuring The Ordinary because I'm like your little guinea pig. I try out skincare products. I tell you if they are worth your money or they're not worth your money. So if at all anything should happen, if any yawa should gas, is on my skin. So subscribe to my channel as a pat on my back saying, you go girl, keep putting your skin on the line for us. So today's product is The Ordinary skincare. If you don't know about The Ordinary, they are huge on social media. Literally every skincare addict has a product or two from Ordinary. Now they are famous for their products being strictly active ingredients. The first item I got is The Ordinary, and it says direct acids here. So on this silver line it tells you what family the product actually belongs to. In the first line they say use ideally in the PM, no more frequently than once per day. They said it there. So if you go and do wasabi and use it 2 times a day and come and say but you said, I didn't say, they said. So it just comes in this bottle and it just says everything on it. So the next item I got is The Ordinary retinoids. It says retinoids on the silver line, and it's the retinol 0.5% in squalene. It fights textural irregularities and signs of aging. The next item I got is this is the ascorbic acid 8% plus alpha arbutin 2%, a water-free stable solution. So this targets hyperpigmentation, dark spots, uneven tone, and signs of aging. My face is really darker than the rest of my body, as you can see. I'm really light skinned in the rest of my body, but my face just tends to burn up under the sun. So I'm going to be showing you my nighttime routine and my daytime routine. So first thing first, I use the Ordinary Glycolic acid toning solution on a cotton pad. I just do this. I saw this on other skincare pages that apparently you're supposed to wipe your face upwards and not downwards, just to defy gravity and like help with aging and your face just drooping. So I wash my face prior to this step. So yeah, you need to do this on a clean face. So now that it's dried, I'm going to go in with the Ordinary ascorbic acid 8% plus alpha arbutin 2%. It's my first time trying all these products. I've heard so much about it, so I'm going to take one. I don't know how much I would need, so I'll just take 2 drops. Oh, this burns. It's hot. Oh my god, it's hot. Wait, let me try. It gets warm once you put it on your skin. Oh my god. My nighttime skincare routine using The Ordinary products. So at night I use these two. So I use the Ordinary Glycolic 7% toning solution, and I just put it on my cotton pad. I've used this product for a good 1 week plus, and let me tell you, The Ordinary is the freaking truth. I cannot lie. Look, it's literally fading around this area and it's just dark here, and this is where it's most concentrated. I go in with the Ordinary retinol 0.5 in squalene, really oily, so you need 1, 2, basically only 2 drops. So this has helped me in this area here. I have big pores there, so this helps for texture irregularities. So on top of this, you can actually sleep like this, but I do have other products I incorporate into my regimens. So yeah, that's my nighttime routine using The Ordinary. If you have watched it to this part of the video, thank you so much for sticking with me. So I'm just going to give you my final verdict on this product, and to say the truth, I've used it for more than 30 days. I live in Nigeria, so I'm going to be reviewing this product under the Nigerian weather. The weather here is so damn hot, like so hot. So I'm just going to show you how much I've used. When I first got it, it was here, filled all the way here, and now it's not even quarter of a full bottle. This is a 240 ml bottle, so I think I've used about 30 ml or 40 ml. So in 2 months, just imagine. It helps brighten my face, so it's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to also insert a picture of what my skin, how terrible my skin was before I started using this product and now. Okay, now this is so I've also been using the ascorbic acid 8% and the alpha arbutin 2%. And I would tell you about this baby. This baby is magical. It just helps fade out my melasma, because I do have melasma here, and when you apply this on your skin it burns a little bit. So amazing. And I've used it for 2 months and it's not even up to half. It's like 1/4 of a bottle, so I really love this. And then the second serum I got is the retinol in squalene, and this is for night only. The retinol is for textured and aging skin, but I'm not aging, so but this is amazing for like smoothing your skin. It just gives your skin that glass look. My final verdict of using The Ordinary, if at all you must get anything from The Ordinary, this is is a must. And then make sure you always use sunscreen, is so important. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. If you haven't watched any of my other skin tests, please, yeah, 3, I think it's a thing I do. I'm obsessed with skincare, so drop me a comment if you have any skincare that's affordable that you want me to buy. Okay, that you want me to buy. And I'll see you in my next video.
Yeah.